Kentat kinong tray ka GHADC ka jipentip ban sami ka tulop basa nakabenta ki shpo benai dawa ban siu shisin siu ya ka tulop nakabenta ki sau pesau benai bedang sa. Penmi ke Meghalaya ya ki SOP ban pelat ya ke website na kabenta ka jipentip kam ya ka RTE Act Haraj Pavan. Bat kelakten jongki kam sendiri ki yeng jak ki badan ham Mawkyrwat bin snow dengan alam snong ya ka jeng snow kia. Ki kubor ki babnya. UMP ke Lok Sabha na Shillong Dr. Ricky A.J. Singkon ula banjor ka jeng don kam krike bandon ka jeng kit kli jong baro pan yele persya ka jeng nang kiu ki kam snewa ka leng ki benta jong ka jela. Ula kentu ke sorkar kumjuk ru ikidor bar shnong ban shim ye kilat yada. Haba keren sepang kadau. Ula penpau ke jeng kiu ke jeng bom yo kam yo jam ke jeng hiar ha ke burom ke akor ke imlang salang. Halor ke ni ke jeng ke bedai ba ke jeng ki kinong nya kali turis ke asam Meghalaya. U Dr. Singkon ula banjur ya ke jeng don kam ban shim kia ya ke tekemat.
From my side, I would urge upon the government that they are responsible, and also the local darbar, and to do something. Where nothing is impossible. We just need to to be firm and to take proactive measures and not to wait for things to happen. This has been an issue which has been raised not just recently, but then no one, bothers to take this issue seriously, to nip these, these things at the butt, and so we allow these things to happen and then see now the problem. But I'm sure, well, problems are there, but it can always be resolved through dialogue. And because again, this is because of again an issue of livelihood for both sides,
Kinong tray ka Garo Hills Autonomous District Council kila yok penang kajing pentip ke bedai ba kajing sam ya ketulap na kabenta ship ho benai ka bedang sa bat ya kajing kular ban sif tiknano manlau benai ya ketulap na du ka shitari gunai wing arajar arpesan. Kat kum kajing pentip ya ketulap bempat siu on sa ai no shen hakilai installment. Kat ba ka non-gazetted employees association pat kala kentat ya kajing pentip. Ka association hene kasi kala dawai ka jing pensyai bet ya ka jing siu ku bashisin na ka bentaki sau pusau benai ka tulop bempat siu ka jongki da ka berngem beteng ya ka jing ki jongki hadu pan dadap siu lut ya ka tulop.
Then our employees, we cannot accept this order because this order is not successful, not satisfied. And we wanted a clarity order. Then we want our pending salary one time should be payment from the 44 months.
Ka State Education Mission Authority of Meghalaya kalapan mi yaki kendon standard operating procedure lani SOP ban pelai ke website ka beta ka jing petrai kami ke section 12(1)C jong ka Right to Education Act 2009 Haraj Pavan. Ya kini ke program lapan long harengkat ke jingit relang bat ke Indus Action Initiative New Delhi keblai shim benta da ulat ke jela UCH Vijay Shankar. Ke jing penmi iki kendon bat ke jing pelat ya ke website ki long ki lat ki bakongsan ban pen scam ya ke puli putih ke ban penlak ki kena ki bawan ke long yang ke bedok ban yo ya ke puli putih ke babha ling ba ki rukom terekam ki babiang.
Subclass 1, Subclass C of the Right to Education Act 2009. This provision of RTE Act ensures that 25% of the entry-level seats in private, unaided, non-minority schools are reserved for children from economically weaker section and socially who are backward. Socially who are backward. It is a vital steps towards the inclusivity, equality, and the fulfillment of every child's constitutional right to education.
Hapadenge jing pekre ya ka jing le kamen puja president ka puja committee unaba bat charge ulapan tikna ban penne ka jing etli ba ka jing skopuro mark liang kumbaju long ha ka jela ubat charge ulapan te bo on sa penlong ya ka jing lang ba kiniam baro akisngi gi bansawan haram krishna mission kanang ban pen klan ya ka jing long ka way but ban wanra ka jing shong suk hapadeng ki kin hunyam ba per
Like this all faith meeting again we are having on the 20th, and this time it will be at the Ramakrishna Mission Light Mukra, and we expect all the faith leaders to be present like other years. And from CPC also we appeal to all to maintain peace, harmony, and the bonhomie which exists among different religious groups. Particularly Meghalaya is known for the we hardly have had any discord, particularly on religious lines.
Kahinyo Treb Integrated Territorial Council ringkat pikir khot jong ka village defense party but senglong me Mawkyrwat dangshan kelapan long ka jing pelujing mud bekinung yalam jong ka san ko rikinti kha nonglang but Mawkyrwat hat hakani ka jing lang lapai khmat halor ki jing sneu ki bla su thiet na ka jing don ki yeng ja ki be don han jan yo ki bla kala long ki jakari ngen but ki ketem jong ki kam sneu kinong yalam kila banjur baka jinglong jingman hagani gathan kala long ka bom don jing sngan sho kham tam yiki khna kin thei khna bat kila kintu badai ban shimar dor yiki lat kilinti ki babiang ban khanglat yaki jing sneo baharukom ka jing ang not ka bala sa teng laslem jong ki nong shong shnong jong ki arphotli ki shnong ki bedon hakathan ternga banyo ka jaka ajing sumar ka babiang kala urlong menta kasngi Umentri Ketanat CNRD upa sostene sotun ulapli ka health sub center ka badang shudap shna thamai ha ka shnong ternga Haribhoi district ka bedon hashilenter ki jaka khaput ka Meghalaya bad Assam ya kani ka sub center lashna ka jinglut ka basan pusan laktingka Balashna bat pendep hapo ko ternga village health council.
Ketika health and wellness center. Tekan long kejimentoy na kementa jongi lang baro. Isim ya ketika kabu sumar ya ketika health and wellness center. Bat ngikermenru ba kalawai jong ketika area. Kalawai jong kenika sub center, jong kenika health and wellness center, kan solong kejingger pu kaba onang la susu ban pendit pendiang lane ban upgrade ya ki facilities ke repair kan solong kejingmen toy na kabenta jong pi baro ki pa nong jong
Lapan long ka Purple Fair ka babaro si singa district library minha kasi palaya minthong juwai man rakhe ka jing kinthop lang bat ban pen priang jing tip shapang ka hok bat ka jing no sinyang jing ki brio ki bidon jing duna ki khotmen kani ka program ka lapan long lang da ka Composite Regional Center for Skill Development Rehabilitation and Empowerment of Persons with Disabilities Shillong bat ki bor pinya district haringkat bakatna social welfare Kala kring ya pala news pa an rio pusau ngut kinong isim benta ki bakin thop ya lais pa prap kandai ngut ki brio ki bedon jingduna ki khotmet Umentri Ketanat ka kot ki kya uba wailat mi ki shilla ulai sim benta ka de kisngi hakani ki program ki don lai politely ki dukan ki bapin inam ki tiar snakti ki marbam shnahi but ki weide ki tiar haringkat ka jing sam ki jing ajing arab but ya ka Niramaya health insurance card Haduk kendai pongut ki kena pulih. Ki belayo ke kerdan ke bahajrong ha ke eksamen SSLC but HSSLC menta kasi ki la syapen ku puram menteri ke cabinet ubat san bor shulai ha ke program ke belalong ha district library auditorium jawai. Ya ke khosnam kyang nang ba best students award 8,000 la penlong dak ke akil Bharatiya Vidyarthi Parishad Giant Hills unit. Kajing ai jeng keren kejong ubak sanbor ulap penbenai kajing nok senyang pisa kebashi lak tingka. Kumshi benta ban ai jeng kershan ka Akhil Bharatiya Vidyarthi Parishad. Kabla penlong yakum kani ke program nak benta kajing mentoy jong ki khna pule.
Education is not preparation for life. Education is life itself. Right? Education is not preparation for life. Education is life itself. Teacher. Ini yang berapa? Mereka yang hidup lama. Testing bagi Allah. Teacher is like a candle. It consumes itself to light the way for others. It is to you.
Ka Aceh Literature Society Tura kalapan long ka jing kenduk lang ba kabashisi jisna menta kasi ha ka Working Women's Hostel Mission Compound Tura ha ka balawan banishim benta lang da ulampang ka yung dorbar tauan u Thomas A Sangma ha kini kasingi la pelat ru ya artli kikot ka Amani Golporang balat ho de Anita CH Moment bat ka Goirani Milam Bak 1 and 2 balat ho de Iliwelin Armarak shu ke society kala IT ru ik dor khas che ulam phang ki dor bar thawan halor ka jingker pat ban ithu no ya kaktin
advocating for the inclusion of Garo and Khasi language in the 8th schedule of the Indian Constitution. Government supaya bayana yang membukaina ni ala semua alasan bukan.
Kanong ba Shillong kelasaki ya kamensim shirhem banile kai sports ki kena ha ka bapalat live pa ngut ki kena ki kendai kli ki district lawan ki do lang ha ka jingile kai sedang jong ka 22nd Meghalaya state level Wushu championship ka long ha indoor sports hall polo kani kelempung ke baarski ke kular ban ai om tang ke rensan bani kop nak benta ki nong isim benta hende ke yele ru ban ithu ki nong ile kai ki baken sai tam ki bala ban mikmat nak benta ke jela Meghalaya ke national but international level lai don benta lang ru ha kani ke sngi do MDC ke Mawkyrwat u ba sai bor lang warba Kakin Hun 5-star kalajop ya ke second knockout futsal tournament ya ke belapan ya da ke Lionel Futsal Arena happening Ray West Khasi Hills district. Kakin Hun 5-star kalayo ika nam la do hadin ba kelapan rem no ika Orient da Saugol lakaway ha ke jingile kai final ke belalong benta ke si ha Lionel Futsal Arena. Lawan benishim benta lang ha ke dikengi do MLA ke Nongstone uba Gabriel Watlang. Ke Lionel Futsal Arena ketemu ban ai ke rensan nak benta ki kena samla kenang bakin lat nak ki jing sneo Mentangi pe ke jing long jing man ka simedang hatura ka jing khat kalong 8 degree Celsius pa jing shit kalong 8 degree Celsius ka jing sngam ka hau kalong prapunyo na ka shispa ka jing hap slap kalong 0.1 millimeter haba pai pa chanong ba shalong ka jing khat kalong 8 degree Celsius ka jing shit kalong 8 degree Celsius ka jing sngam ka hau kalong khandai pu ana ka shispa ka jing hap slap kalong 0.1 millimeter kat bahaju waipat ka jing khat kalong khat khandai degree Celsius ka jing shit kalong 8 degree Celsius ka jing sngam ka hau kalong khandai pu ana ka shispa ka jing hap slap kalong 0.1 millimeter kala panon ka jing hap slap ka jing tir perthat ki babun ki jaka hatura shalom bajuai Shon poi shum ko jang thup ko boy pe byang se sien ki mat pa kong san Banjur MP ke Shillong ke jingdon kam bandon ke jing yakit kli lang ban rat deng khong yaki kam sneo Kintat ki nong tre ka GHADC ke jing pentip ban sam ke tulop pasa na ka benta ki shipo benai dawa ban siu shisien siu ya ke tulop na ka benta ki sau benai badang sa Penmi ke Meghalaya ya ki SOP ban pelat ya ke website nak benta ke jing betreka me ke RTE Act Haraj Bhavan. Bat kelak ketem jong ki kam sini ki yeng ja ke bedon Mawkyrwat pensno ki nang lam snong ha ke jik sokya. ti perlok tung la paisa ko jang thup khboji mata ka janmi hadu ni shemya bat phila sha kisi khuble phi baro.
Lived his last moments to the fullest while conquering an adventurous underwater sport. He was admitted to the hospital in a critical condition, but he did not survive. Zubin Garg had gone to Singapore to participate in the Northeast Festival. His death is being seen as